Okay, hello, and today we are metal detecting a new permission at Riverbank. And actually behind me that's a church. I've been here before but I didn't make a video. But what I did find is a couple of coins, a couple of old ones, and a couple of bullets, and a titanium watch, which is pretty cool. It was I think the make was Loris. But anyway, my first finds, I should really say, is a coin spell. We've got a 10p and a pound coin. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, on to the next. Okay, and in that same hole, or well, next to it, was a 20p dated 1998. Cool. And in the same area, I got a 50p. If there's more than that, I probably won't film it. It's probably getting boring for you guys, but yeah, cool. This hole here, I just got a 1 penny, which is a Borwick or Jersey 1 penny there, and a 5p in the same hole, so that's cool. But the penny there is pretty sick. I'll probably add that to my coin collection. So yeah. Okay, so it's like we're here on this little bit of riverbank. Oh yeah, there's like a train station there as well. Didn't there before, I found loads of bullets. Anyway, before much I did this bin, there's a little coin here. Before I crack it open live. Oh, see that bill. See, 2 pence. That's what it is, I think. Yeah, 2p. Okay, cool. I'll check if there's any more coins in the hole. But, yeah. So that's a bullet there. I think that's American actually. Like, might be off an M1 Grand. I just found it like here, like river is, and like that hole there. So cool. I like bullets. Yeah. So alright. So looking at this tree, so I thought it was pretty cool with that. Now look under here. I'm just trying to like, what the hell is that? Pick it up, and it's this weird ass crystal. It's like, what the hell is that inside? It's almost like hair or something. I'm like, oh, I don't really want to touch it. It's got like weird stuff on the bottom which you can't really see. But yeah, I'm going to see if there's any more things under there. I'm obviously going to put this back. It's probably like some like offering or something. Or some like hippie put there or something. But yeah, I'll get back to you if there's anything else there. Alright, okay guys, I've got a bit of a semi-live dig here, but yeah, it's a big round thing. It doesn't look that big on screen, but it is pretty big. It might be an old penny, so I thought I'll do a semi-live dig. Right. Yeah. What the hell is that? It's massive. Ah. Big nut. Damn it. You don't always get good things not detecting. You've got to dig the junk. Got excited there for a minute. In that hole there I got 4 coins. £1.60. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'm really confused because like, yeah, it's just like the middle of nowhere really. Random field. But I keep finding like shell casings and bullet tips. I just got a 9mm here. Don't know why they're here. Because like 9mm are pretty much World War II. And I found like 3 other bullet tips, or 4. They're World War II. I don't know why it's here. Maybe there was soldiers here in World War II. Maybe there, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just doing this little. Well, this was a stream like a couple of days ago, but it's all like dry now. So yeah. Now there I just got this tin. Can't really see it, but I've actually found one of these before at the World War II location. This is a complete one though, so that's pretty cool. Yep. And we have a toy Spider-Man car. Yep. Right, so this last clip of the day. Yeah, it's like the last clip. So I'm gonna go home now, but last find was his key. Bet someone was sad when he lost this. But yeah. See you in the next video.